So the first question, coaching a skeptical leader. At a retailer that I did work with previously, did have a senior leader push back really hard in reference to a AI voice-enabled support that we were implementing into for store associates. That particular senior leader believed that, or was convinced that the implementation of this particular system was going to disrupt floor operations. So instead of just providing blanket AI theory, what I did was go to him and understand what his values were, align with those values, help him understand what we are attempting to do, but not only what we are attempting to do, but what problems we are attempting to solve. So we actually ended up working with them to come up with criteria, and in the first two pilot stores, within 2 sprints, we did see a increase in associate satisfaction by about 10%, and then a 9% reduction in customer wait times as it related for them to get assistance. And we did find that this particular leader actually was so on board with us based upon that particular take and thought process that they actually accelerated that AI process throughout all the departments in the store. Okay, second question. Building trust with the new team. So when I stepped in as Scrum Master for a particular product for a bank, there was immediate hesitation from analysts who had seen multiple fixes for a system that we were implementing, and it didn't stick. So I didn't necessarily lead the process, but I did lead with listening. So I just documented the exact workflows, acknowledged their past frustrations, and validated the feedback in real time. So within a month, we were able to, through collaboration, start to work through automations and implement the feedback that they had given, and start to understand how to gain their trust as users. So we created a user trust in the solution, and so this resulted in faster onboarding, fewer delays, and a strong reputation from our team's delivery inside the organization. Third question, consistent contribution. As a Scrum Master, what I believe I consistently bring to the table is the ability to lead the outcomes. It's not just about running ceremonies. I want to design an experience that helps the team to progress. And so the one shift that I've made is just being able to improve how we visualize how we are doing our work to make the ambiguity actionable. And so that clarity builds momentum, and the momentum builds trust, adoption, and long-term success. Last question. Biggest challenge I faced was a major AI rollout in my last employer, and the biggest thing that we wanted to do is be a differentiator so we can compete in this particular process.